Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I'm wearing a jumper and it's currently 13th of August. What is going on? It's literally been pouring down with the rain. I just don't even know anymore. I don't know. So in today's video, I am going to share with you guys just my current go-to sort of glam makeup look. And I'm also going to be talking to you guys, just having a catch up. I feel like it's been a while since I've had a catch up with you guys, and I kind of just want to talk about things that are going on in my life at the moment, and also changes that I want to make within sort of YouTube industry and all of that kind of stuff, because I'll get into it in the video. If you watch the video, you'll kind of know. But yeah, I'm making some changes, subtle-ish, I don't know, not really, but you'll know what I'm talking about in the video. So yeah, if you want to know how to create this makeup look and also just have a catch up with each other, it's been a while, and a little update on what I've been getting up to and what I'm thinking about doing in like YouTube industry, then please keep watching. Sorry for that really long intro. And then I moisturise with this Olay Beauty Fluid Moisturiser, which is basically gone, but I'm going food shopping after, so it's all good. I can get new stuff. I'm then going to use this Benefit, what is this one called? Goof Pro Brow Pencil. I use number 5, like the shade. So one side has a spoolie and then this side has a twisty applicator, which is really, really easy just to apply the product on your brows. And it's my favourite brow product at the moment. I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, but this literally takes me 2 seconds in the morning, and I have my eyebrows microbladed, so it's a lot easier for me to sort of maintain my brows and just use. So I literally just do this. I never really show you guys how I do my brows, but literally just sort of fill them in, go over a little bit at the end. Yeah, I'll carve a little bit here just to neaten it up, and it makes such a difference. So I'm going to do my other brow, then I'll be back. I've just done my brows. By the way, if you're wondering why my skin looks like flawless, it's because I'm using my vlogging camera. I forgot to put the battery in my big camera, because I've got a Canon 70D, and I forgot to put the battery in, so I haven't charged it. So this is my vlogging camera, but it's got like a smoothing filter on your face, and I really don't like it, but luckily I haven't got too many spots, so I'm not faking it completely. But that's why, if you're wondering like if my skin looks so good, because of that. Now I've just gently carved my brows out with some foundation. I just used the Benefit Hello Happy foundation in the shade 6, just to gently carve them out. I do it on both sides. I just like the cleaner look. I want to grow them out though, make them look so natural, but I don't think I'm ready yet. I'm now going to use the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. They really nicely sent me some makeup the other day. Like, this isn't a spawn, but I thought I'd use it, and I'm utterly obsessed. I love it. It honestly sets your brows in place. Like, they will stay there all day. Moving on to foundation. Actually, no, primer. So at the moment, I haven't really, the past year, I don't really wear a lot of primer, but I tried this one the other day. This isn't a spawn, they just sent me loads of bits, and I really like it. So after I apply a thin, wait for that bus to go. There we go. After I apply a thin amount of moisturiser, my face is a little bit tacky. At this point, I would put the foundation on, but I'm going to test drive this. I used it once before and I didn't notice the biggest difference, but I didn't really apply a lot. So I'm going to give it a go, because primers just haven't really been my friends, but hopefully it'll make my makeup stay on. I mean, I've used quite a lot. It's really smoothing on your skin. Like, my skin in real life looks like the filter on here. Like, it really smooths your skin out. Oh my god. Like, it really sort of mattifies it, but makes it look flawless. Oh, I'm impressed with this already, but hopefully it doesn't like slide my makeup off. It will just keep it on. So the next product I'm going to use is the Hello Happy foundation from Benefit in the shade 6. I've been loving this at the moment. It is lightweight though. Right, so I'm going to use my favourite brushes to apply it. I'll leave all my codes. Oh my god, I've got makeup on my top. Oh, that's so annoying. Right, oh well. I will leave all my codes for my brushes, and I've got codes for lashes, and I've got codes for my favourite watches. Like, I will leave everything that I've used in the description box down below. I know I've always been so bad at it, but I promise you, I want to like put more effort into my videos and just do it for you guys, because that's where you'll know where the products are. So what I'm going to do is pop a little bit on my hand. It is a little bit orangey, like you can see, but it works nicely. Now this matches my neck. My face used to be a lot more tanned when I got back from holiday, but it's just decided to go. But luckily I'm going to Jamaica soon, so I'm so excited because I get my face tan back. And I feel like I haven't had that in 2 weeks since I've been back, so I'm excited. Like, how do you keep a tan after you've got a tan, like on holiday? Does anyone know? Like, I don't really know how to keep it. Like, I haven't peeled, but it just goes. So it's really weird. So bizarre. Right, so that is literally what I put on my face and we're done. I use the concealer brush to apply that, and then I'm going to use the foundation brush, which looks like this, to sort of blend it in from my neck, and then I like to go down and then up. I want to push the product up on my face and I want it to be blended out on my neck. So yeah, anyway, I wanted to do like a little life update, get ready with me video, because I feel like I haven't done one in forever. And I also just wanted to speak to you guys because I want to change the content up on my channel a little bit, in the sense that I kind of want to do more vlog style. I want more casual sort of videos, and just feel like it works more for me, and they're the type of videos that I love watching. So I've always, like, for the past year, I think you might probably tell, but the content on my YouTube hasn't been amazing. And I think it's because when I'm not as passionate about makeup anymore, so it kind of rubs off on my videos, and I still love it, but I'm just not as adventurous as I used to be. And I feel like there's so many incredible creators out there who are insane at what they do. But then I'm like thinking, I don't know if makeup is the right route for me at the moment. I'm still going to do makeup tutorials. I'm not saying I'm not at all. I'm still going to do makeup tutorials, but I basically just want to change the content up on my channel a little bit and sort of incorporate a little bit more lifestyle, more vlogs, more hauls. I'll still do makeup, of course, because I love makeup. You know I love makeup. But I feel like in a lot of my videos, you guys are like, you're basically doing the same makeup look in all your looks. So, and I don't want to bore you with that anymore. So I'm thinking, if I'm showing you, like, I've really applied this bad, haven't I? If I am doing content that you guys really like, then I think you'll enjoy it too. When I enjoy something, I feel like it'll rub off on you as well. By the way, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. I think you guys know that already. So yeah, that's sort of the plan with my channel. I want to do more vlogs, everyday things. Like, it's just things that I enjoy watching, and I feel like I would actually enjoy filming it, because I want you guys to get to know my life a bit more, and it's interesting. Like, I'm nosy. I love seeing what other people do, so hopefully you guys will enjoy it as well. But I mean, it might not work out for me, but I think I'm in the industry where it's easy just to try new things. And I mean, I'm not doing something completely new. I've done vlogs before, but I mean, I kind of want to do them as a thing. So, you know, I upload 2 videos a week. I might do one vlog style and then one like a makeup tutorial or a haul or a hair tutorial, you know, something like that. But hopefully it will all work out in the end. Fingers crossed. Let me know if you guys are interested in that though, because it is something I want to do. And every time I write I'm going to apply a little bit more. Every time I do questions on Instagram about like what content you guys want me to do, you literally all say vlogs. You say vlogs and videos with Bradley. So that's the plan with that. And I'm going to do Vlogmas this year, and I'm so excited. So yeah. For powder, I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and then I'm going to use the powder / blush brush to apply it, which I love. Like, spreads it evenly around your face. Yeah, that's basically the plan for my video ideas. Let me know if you have any ideas in the comments. That will help me so much. And I always read the comments, guys. Like, a lot of people are like, YouTubers don't read the comments. I honestly, every single time I upload a video, I'll always look at the comments. I'll always love your comments if they're nice. So yeah, definitely write in the comments, or you can Instagram me, like DM me, or you can tweet me, anything. So yeah, I'm excited for this new chapter in my life, because I feel like I need a change. And I'm not saying that I'm going to go completely away from makeup, like, I'm really not. I'm not saying that. You guys know how much I love makeup. Like, the amount of makeup I have as well is just crazy. But I feel like for me as a person, it's just, I need a change. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So for bronzer at the moment, I've really been loving this. I haven't been using the NYX contour kit, surprisingly. This is the Brilliance bronzer, and it's in the shade Bronze Babe. You can see it there. Yeah, looks like this from BH. Oh God, it's falling on me. There we go. It looks like this, just a matte bronzer, but it's so pigmented and the colour is a bit ashy. Oh, blend this in. So it goes really nicely with my colour. So moving on to eyes, this is a palette that I really like at the moment. It's called Desert Oasis. BH nicely sent me this. Look how beautiful this palette is. Like, it's stunning. The amount of looks you can create with it. I am going to do like a blue makeup tutorial soon. I know it's like, I'm going to do makeup. I still am. I'm just not going to do as many because I don't feel like you guys enjoy them as much anymore, if I'm honest. So I'm going to use the shade Terrain, which is this colour here. It's like a golden. And I'm going to use the smudging brush just to pop this directly in my tear duct and my brow bone. And then also the bridge of my nose, just to highlight it. And then also my Cupid's bow. I feel like when you do your Cupid's bow, you can really see like the actual shape of your lips better. I'm then going to use the shade Canyon here just as my transition. And now this is just an everyday look that I've been doing at the moment. And it's just something that I quickly throw together. So literally just pop this on my eyes. I use the same colour but just with a smaller brush to go underneath my lash line. Oh my God, look at that fallout. Oh God. Wipe, yeah, it's easy to wipe away, but fallout is a bit annoying. And I'm going to use the shade Dune and Nightscape. I'm going to use the tiniest bit of Nightscape. I'm just going to use this on the sort of outer V of my eye, like so. It looks messy, and then just get a blending brush and just blend it all in, and it should just blend out. Literally it for the eyes. It's a bit smoky, but not too dramatic on an everyday basis, and it goes with like all your outfits. I feel like it looks smokier in the camera. Ooh. But it's fine. For liner, I'm going to use this sleek makeup liner. It's called the Fierce Felt Liner. And I'm literally just going to I'm going to line my lash line. That's what I'm going to do. So it's so easy and simple to use. For mascara, I'm going to use my all-time favourite that was my email. So my all-time favourite mascara. There we go. Which is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. Like the wand looks like, oh, you can't really see. Let's try and do this. I feel like old school YouTube. The wand looks like this. It's stunning. So I have individual lashes on. Oh, and I sometimes use it just to sort of neaten them out, but not really. So what I like to do is just pop this on my bottom lashes and that's it really. And I do my mascara face, which is like, and I try not to do it, but I do it every time. Oh, there we go. It's so hard not to do it. Does anyone else do it? Oh my God, it is the hardest thing. Oh, I've clumped my lashes together. Oh God. SOS guys, SOS. This is just like a plain spoolie. Oh no, clumped it, messed it up big time. So now time for lashes. Now I have individuals. This isn't really my everyday makeup look. This is my go-to glam makeup look. So this is when I want to feel a bit more extra. I mean, my lashes, a lot of them have come out. So they're not like completely there, but I like them a bit more wispy and thicker. But on a day-to-day basis, I will not do this. I'll probably do the same base. With my eyes, I wouldn't add the eyeshadow or liner or anything like that. I would just have mascara on the bottom and then I'm good to go with my tops. But because this is more dramatic, I'm going to show you with the lashes as well. So I use these Backstage lashes in the style Melrose Avenue. I use them already, but they look... Can you see? They look like this. They're stunning. Literally my favourite lashes of all time. I love them so much. So I am just going to apply these, but I'm going to do it off camera because I have to go like this to the mirror and I can't with you here. So now time for blusher. These ones are always so hard to open. Okay, this is the Ciate, if it wants to focus, blusher, which looks like this. It is stunning and it is in the shade Summer Love. So I'm just going to apply a bit onto my cheeks. So pretty and subtle and really buildable. I love it. With a fan brush, this is just the large fan brush from the brush set. I'm going to go back in with this palette and I'm going to use this shade here, and then which is called My Ridge. And then Utapa. These names are hard. Otherwise, I'm either really stupid or these names are hard. When I done my palette with what's it called, Deck of Scarlet, I like picked such like simple names, but I hate palettes which are like, I love this palette, but why are the names so hard? It annoys me. So this fan brush is just perfect for getting a perfect like simple summer glow. I forgot to mention that I also have a code for my, they're not my lashes, for these lashes. They backstage nicely sent me stuff and they were like, we have a code for your followers, and I was like, ah, yay. So if you use the code amyrose10 you'll get a discount off, which is lovely of them. So yeah, my all time, honestly, hands down, you guys know lashes are sort of my thing. I've always loved lashes. I like spidery eyes. And they have so many like different styles. It's so nice, so go and check them out because they're amazing. So the rest of my makeup is done. I'm now just gonna do my lips. Start things off with my lips. I'm gonna do the same to what I usually do. I'm gonna apply some lip balm, a nice generous amount. And then I'm gonna use my Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner. This is just my signature nude look. I love it. What I'm going to do is apply the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the shade 9. It's not shade 9, it's number 9 in the shade Corset. Just on it. It's basically run out though, like completely. So instead of that, I'm going to use, where is it? This BH Cosmetic liquid liner in the name Natalie. It's quite light, but I think if you blend it back in with a liner, it could work. Yeah, like so. And you could keep it like this, but at the moment, I've really been liking having a gloss on. Not too much, so I just dot it. It just adds a little bit of shine to it, and I really, really like it. So this is the Buxom lip gloss in the name Serina. Serina, whatever. I really, really like it, like just to add a little bit of glossiness. Nice. And then to set things off, I am going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter. Can you hear that? There's literally none, so wish me luck. Ooh. So everyone, this is the final makeup look. I did put a jumper on in the end because I was just a bit cold. Like, it's really, really nippy. It's just, don't know where it's come from. It's been sunny and then all of a sudden the rain just went crazy. So I was like, oh, a bit chilly. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I hope you are excited for this new sort of chapter in my life. I know it's nothing like too dramatic and anything like that, but I do want to let you guys know that I do sort of want to get a little bit away from just doing makeup and beauty because I love it. You guys know I love it so much, but it's mostly for your benefit because I could still do it. But I agree with you guys to a certain extent that I can only create certain makeup looks without, I'd losing my creativity, I think. And like this year, I thought, like, I haven't even done a festival makeup look and stuff. So I think I'm going to leave that to the amazing influencers that are so good at what they do and they love creating new looks and things like that. And I will still do it, I promise you, but it's not going to be like as much. I'm going to do more vlogs and more lifestyle, more hauls and all of that kind of stuff. So I hope you're excited. Let me know in the comments down below if you are excited because I really, really can't wait to do it with you guys and just share with you my day-to-day life and my experiences and just what I get up to. And yeah, I'm really excited. It's a new change, new beginnings. So yeah, exciting. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new to my channel. Hit that subscribe button down below. I don't know which side it's on, but it's down below. And also make sure you guys come and follow me on my Instagram. I will leave it on the screen, but if not, it is Amyrose Walker. It's my necklace around. So yeah, and I'll also leave my links to like the watches, the lashes, the brushes, all the makeup that I've used and all my codes that I've got in the description box just to help you save some extra money. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.